Hi, my name is Gulreez Pathan, and I'm here to talk to you about my experience working as a data analyst in the field of data science. A little about my background, then follow it up with what is data science, how it is used, and why is it important. A little bit about myself. I had initially transferred into San Jose State University as an applied math major with a concentration in econ and actuarial science, but I did not really have a occupation in mind that I knew I can pursue with this degree. I knew that math and econ are very important subjects, and I will eventually find something that will pique my interest and occupation that has a future. So I tried to do various different projects and tried to learn as much as I could while interacting with different people and taking various other classes in the way. And eventually I was presented with an opportunity to work as a data analyst at a data analytic company in San Mateo, which introduced me to data science and how it relates to various different industries and how much the world has come to rely on data. To begin with, what is data science? Data science allows an individual to make an informed decision by analyzing and evaluating information that they have gathered through various different means. This information could be from gathering by surveys, by past historical information of sales, of prices, how any market tends to lead or follow, and why those information affects an individual or company in any manner of sort. What this allows a data analyst or a data scientist to gather this information, model it either statistically or mathematically, and to gain an insight into the situation so you can make an informed decision for the future by reasoning and seeing how a past action had consequences. We can see how any future decisions will affect the market and or the individual. And many of us has come to realize how data has become the backbone in various different industries, regardless which sector you belong to. This could be government, private, healthcare, music, news, politics. Data is one of the leading and most controversial field that is being used at the moment, and various different opportunities are available for anyone who is willing to pursue it. So how it is used. For example, let's take a situation where if a merchant wants to gain an insight into a situation. So one particular time in my job, I was introduced to a scenario where if a merchant who sells coffee cups wants to introduce a new type of coffee cup in the market, how will they go about it? So what we did was we gathered information about coffee cups from various different merchants. We collected the prices, how much they sell for, when does the price dip, when does it spike, when do they go on sale, which brand tends to do better than the other, and how does this information correlate throughout a year. By gathering all this information, we can provide the detailed understanding to a new merchant by explaining that if you were to introduce a coffee mug, this is the competitive price that you can expect to sell your mug at. With these features, this is how much demand you can expect, and with what sort of timing in the market when you will hope to put your mug on sale and when you can expect the prices to drop off. And as you can see, this information is very important and can have huge impact on the revenue. And having understanding about supply and demand can really help and guide a data analyst to provide information to the merchant that they can use in the real actual market practices. So why is all this important? As I already mentioned, that many of this information can have deep and huge impacts on not only revenue but also demand, how the market trends, and the ability to perceive the concept, the high concept approaches, and to bring it down to a more simpler form is what allows us as data scientists and data analysts to provide insight into different merchants and the companies. But it is very important to understand how not all information can be used at the same time, and having too much information and no guidance can really put you at a problem where you cannot make an informed decision. So as you can see, getting skills from both applied math and econ can help you see clearly which information is critical for what situation and how you should actually approach it, and which information is just random occurrence and how it should be taken into consideration that not everything you see is the trend and some of it is just outliers. So as I've explained to you various different situations and importance of data science, I hope this has been some useful to you. Thank you very much.